So, luminee.com is basically an online store offering products with a polished website and prices that can look pretty tempting. But before you place an order, there are a few things I'd want to check. The biggest question is whether the products actually match the photos and descriptions. With lesser-known online stores, quality, sizing, shipping times, and customer service can sometimes be very different from what the website suggests. I'd also look closely at the return and refund policy. If you're ordering internationally, returning something that doesn't meet your expectations could potentially be complicated or expensive. So, is luminee.com a scam? I wouldn't automatically make that claim without stronger evidence, but I also wouldn't trust the website purely because it looks professional. Check independent reviews, company information, payment protection, and shipping details before buying. Overall, I'd approach luminee.com with some caution. The prices might look attractive, but do your research first and make sure you're comfortable with the risks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.